We're here in the Asian Inspirations kitchen today, and I'm here with Chef Heather, who is from Korea.
Yes.
And we're going to be cooking a Korean dish today, and she's going to tell us all about it.
Yes, we are making bulgogi salad bibimbap.
Bibimbap.
Yeah.
It's fun to say, so I'm sure it's fun to eat.
Bibim means to mix, and pap means rice. Koreans love rice so much that when we greet around dinner time or lunchtime, we say, "Have you had pap?" which is, "Have you had rice?"
So making sure everyone's full.
Yes, and Koreans love to mix. It's very addictive. I'm about to show you how addictive mixing the rice with different ingredients can be. So first of all, we have beef shabu shabu. It's a very thinly cut beef. This case, it's Scotch fillet. And I'm going to add, this is bulgogi sauce. Marinade. Bulgogi is a barbecue sauce in Korean. So I'm going to add about 100 grams of this beautiful marinade.
Delicious.
Yeah, and I love doing this. It's good therapy. So I'm going to mix and let it marinate.
This dish specific to a region, or where could we get it if we're going to Korea?
Everywhere, Elena. But you know, if you haven't been to Korea, I mean, Korea is a small country, but it's a beautiful country. Every town you go, there'll be a specialty, a regional specialty. We're going to have salad on top of rice with meat and egg. If you could fry some eggs for me. Let me just talk you through this leaf.
Yes, I haven't seen this one before.
Yeah, it's a sesame leaf. It's called genyip. And it's the leaf from wild sesame seeds.
Genyip.
Would you like to have a little taste? It's yeah, it's very aniseedy.
It is.
Yeah, it's just different to Japanese shiso. So I'm going to julienne this as well. Now, the way Koreans love to eat this, we make our bulgogi and have some rice and salad leaves. We like to get things like lettuce and in this case, I'm going to use a little bit of wild sesame leaves. If you don't have this, don't worry, the lettuce is just fine. So I like to add a little bit of rice. And to this wrap, I've got gochujang here, which is gochujang is chili paste. It's got a little bit of a kick, but it's sweet at the same time. And if you can just put a little bit of the barbecue.
About that much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then you wrap this and you eat as a wrap.
Wonderful, okay.
Yeah. So maybe it's too much of a mouthful. So we'll eat this later on.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So this is sort of a nice warmer months alternative, or when you don't want a full hot meal.
Yes, yeah, that's right. But I'm going to talk about more bibimbap, which is mixing of the rice. So to make the sauce, this is integral. It's such an important part of this dish. I'm going to add about, you know, it looks like a lot.
A healthy teaspoon? Oh, a healthy 2 teaspoons.
Maybe 3. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of mirin and some good Yo's sesame oil.
Well, it's so fragrant and so much flavour.
Yeah, yeah. So, and it's a little bit is not enough actually. You can never have enough sesame oil. So you just mix that together like so. And then you just plate it up. Top this with the fried egg that you beautifully fried. Yeah, another good drizzle of sesame oil.
So it's almost like a seasoning. It's the sesame oil becomes the seasoning.
Yes, and then you can help yourself to the gochujang sauce.
So we've plated up our bibimbap.
Yeah.
And this is how we would present it to our guests.
Yes, that's right. And then prior to eating, we just mix it with our chopstick, not a spoon.
Okay.
You don't want it to be too starchy. That's why we use the chopstick to mix.
So it's a very gentle.
Yes, that's right.
So there we have it, our bibimbap, and we're gonna have lunch.